Had a viewer ask what I have planted in the garden. Well, after the ice storm and the torrential downpour and this thick fog and this drizzle right now, let's open this up and see what we have going on. It definitely makes a nice swimming pool. There's a kale. There's a Swiss chard. Bok choy looks like it got crushed. We've got a beet and another Swiss chard. Tops of these beets look like they took a pretty good beating. Some of that lettuce is going to come back just fine. I'm not real hopeful on this group of Swiss chard. See if we got anything left under here. We didn't lose it all. We'll see how many of these plants survived. Well, look at that. We got carrots and spinach doing just fine. Cilantro, that cabbage did take a beating. We still got some beets, turnips, and I'll bet you spinach didn't even know it got cold. It is the middle of winter after all, and we just made it through polar vortex 1 and 2. We had torrential downpours, we had freezing rain, we had snow, we had temperatures down below zero. We saved some stuff, we lost some stuff. As soon as the sun comes back out, I'm gonna be out here planting. I hope you join me for that. You can do this too. I don't know if any of the beets survived, but the spinach doesn't even know it got cold. Neither does the cilantro. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.